us become future stars. Chapter 5. Our Body. Human body is like a wonderful machine. A machine has different parts and each part has a special function. In the same way, our body also has different organs that perform various functions. A body can be fit and healthy only if all its organs work properly. Human body is made of cells. Similar types of cells join together to form tissue. A group of tissues joins together to form an organ. A group of organs joins together to form an organ system, which performs special functions like writing, eating, playing, etc. Cells, tissue, organ, heart. The sense system. Seeing, hearing, tasting, smelling and feeling are our five senses. These senses are made possible by our five sense organs. Our eyes enable us to see. We can see movement, colors, objects, etc. with our eyes. Our ears enable us to hear. We can hear sounds that are loud and soft, sharp or dull and pleasant or unpleasant with our ears. Our nose enables us to breathe and smell. We can smell pleasant and unpleasant odors with our nose. Our tongue enables us to taste food and drinks. We can identify the taste of food and drinks such as bitter, sweet, salty and sour. Our skin enables us to feel. We can feel cold or hot, and also pain because of our skin. We can also judge the smoothness, roughness, hardness and softness in objects with our skin. The organ systems. We can say that cells are the building blocks of our body. There are 8 main organ systems in our body. Digestive system, breathing system or respiratory system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system, skeletal system. Our body is made up of bones. All the bones join together to form the skeletal system. It gives shape and support to the body. We are able to stand straight and walk because of our skeleton. It also protects the soft and delicate organs inside the body. For examples, the skull protects the brain and the ribs protect the heart and the lungs. Our skeletal system consists of 206 bones. Respiratory system. Respiration means to breathe by taking in oxygen. Organs that help us in breathing are the nose, lungs and windpipe, trachea. These 3 organs together form the respiratory system. We breathe through our nose. It reaches the lungs passing through the windpipe. Lungs absorb oxygen and exhale the rest with the help of nose. Exhaled air contains large quantity of carbon dioxide. There are small hairs inside the nose. When we breathe in, these hairs filter the air. Therefore, we should always breathe through our nose to keep dust and form out of our body. Brainy bites. A healthy person breathes 25,000 times in a day. Digestive system. When we smell food, our mouth starts watering. This is the beginning of digestion. Digestion is the process of changing food into a simple form so that it can be used by the body. The food that we chew mixes with saliva and becomes soft. The food then goes to the stomach. In the stomach, the food mixes with the digestive juices. After about 4 hours of eating, the food goes into the small intestine. Here the digested food is taken in by the blood and carried to the other parts of the body. The undigested food goes to the large intestine and from there it is thrown out through the anus. It also removes waste from our body. Circulatory system. Just as a motor cannot work without its engine, our body cannot work without the heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. This blood is carried by blood vessels, thin tubes through which blood flows to all parts of our body. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. Heart pumps nutrient-rich blood after filtering dirty blood. It helps keep all the organs working properly. Muscular system. It is made up of muscles. Muscles are the soft and fleshy part of our body. Muscles are attached to bones. Muscles, along with bones, help the body and its parts to move. Eating healthy food and doing regular exercise make our muscles strong. Brainy bites. Eye muscles are one of the busiest muscles in our body. Scientists believe that they move more than 1 lakh times a day. Nervous system. The nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. It receives messages from the sense organs and other parts of the body. Then, it sends out orders for action. It also helps in thinking, reasoning and learning. Excretory system. Excretion is the process of removal of all wastes from the body. The excretory system consists of the lungs, kidneys and skin. Kidneys are the main excretory organs. They help to throw out urine and other excretory items. Our skin helps to eliminate excess water and salts as urine, sweat and lungs give out carbon dioxide. Reproductive system. The reproductive system enables humans to have babies. Males and females have different reproductive organs. Rapid review. Human body is made of cells. Our body is made up of bones. We should always breathe through our nose. The heart, the blood, and the blood vessels make up our circulatory system. The nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Like, share, and subscribe.